per day.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. But let's start here with the Nasdaq100. As I've mentioned in previous videos, we are currently in the process, or just finished the process of forming this five-wave Elliott wave structure where we had that capitulation phase last Thursday. Now this is very positive because that day we did actually manage to pair our losses, and in the green, Friday was a very treacherous day in the markets, but today we are seeing some green across the markets, up approximately 1.5%. So it could be now that we are forming this ABC correction pattern. That's typically what happens after you complete the Elliott wave, five-wave structure. So you know, that cycle has come to an end now, and I do expect some short-term positivity in the markets. Let's just zoom out a little bit though and look, you know, more from a medium to longer term perspective. It's come apparent to me that, you know, we are in the finishing stages of forming this five-wave structure, which we've been working on pretty much since we hit those all-time highs back in late November. And as you can see, that capitulation move could potentially be the overall market bottom in this market, and that's a big could. You know, it may be that we work up a little bit higher and then we go for one final push lower, but that definitely did kind of look like a capitulation to myself. The only thing that I'm disappointed about is that the VIX did not surge. You know, the VIX is just hovered around 32. You know, a very interesting statistic for you all is that the past 11 bear markets over the several decades that have passed, every single bear market bottomed when the VIX spiked above 40. That's up here. We haven't had that at all so far during this bear market, and you know, the VIX is trading very steadily at this moment in time at around 32. Of course, for the bear market to come to an end, you don't need the VIX to go above 40. That's not what I'm trying to say, but historically speaking, the last 11 bear market rallies, the past 11 bear markets have come to an end when the VIX has spiked above 40. So that could be a good indication to look out for. But you know, even if, let's say, Thursday was the final stage of this capitulation, we are still now due this ABC correction pattern, which should take us a lot higher. So, you know, the upcoming trading sessions, I am starting to turn positive. I have been dollar cost averaging since that August 16th high. I've been buying every 100 points that we fall here for the Nasdaq100. I bought some right at the lows on Thursday, and I'm going to continue to add if we do start to fall, because as I just mentioned at the start of this video, we are currently at the finishing stages of this five-phase Elliott wave, and you know, if this pattern is to be correct, we will start to see a very aggressive rally into year end and potentially going into 2023. So starting to become very excited here now that we are starting to show signs of bottoming, some signs of capitulation. But you know, I really wouldn't mind if we had one final push lower and we did see that VIX peak above 36 to 40, because don't forget, the VIX works in standard deviations of 8. So 20 is a very big level, 28, 36, and so on. So a move above 40 would be very welcomed, as that would really start to show me signs of capitulation here in this market.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.